I am blessed with vision that is repairing and perfecting now. I have great vision and I can see clearly. My vision is improving. I send universal healing energy to cleanse and strengthen all areas of my optical nerves and visual system. Clearing my vision is easier than I thought. I see clearly now. My eyesight is now perfect. My eyes work well without glasses. I am grateful to my eyes, and I send love and gratitude to my eyes every day. My eyes are relaxed. My eyes are strong. My vision is sharp. My eyes are free from strain. I am releasing the tension around my eyes. My facial muscles are relaxed. I am healing my eyes. I am sending healing energy to my eyes now. My eyes focus with ease. I have crystal clear eyesight. My eyesight is naturally improving. My vision sharpens naturally and easily. I take care of my eyes. My eyes are naturally strong and healthy. I enjoy relaxing the muscles around my eyes. Taking care of my eyesight is something I will just do naturally. Every day, my eyesight is improving tremendously. Every time I blink my eyes, they take on a perfect shape to be able to focus perfectly on all objects near and far. I am thankful to my eyes every second of every day. I show gratitude now for my eyes. I know how precious and valuable my eyes are, so I give them the thanks that they deserve. I can see clearly without glasses. I see more clearly when I'm relaxed and contented. I can focus at all distances. I see more clearly when I'm relaxed and centered. My vision continues to cleanse. My eyes are improving, healing, rejuvenating. I do notice that I see more clearly every day. All blockages that hinder eyesight disappear and fade. My eyes are perfectly healthy. My vision is clearing now. My visual system is perfectly healthy. It is okay that my eyesight improves in every way. I release any and all emotions that may be blockages to perfect eyesight. My eyes revert to universal perfection. I have the crystal clear vision of universal source energy. I feel my visual system getting healed right now. I surround my eyes with love and light, cleansing and healing. I remove any and every blockage that impedes my perfect vision right now and flood my eyes with healing light. My eyes are clearer today. My eyes are getting younger as I send healing to them now. My vision clears like crystal clear pools of water. My eyes are free of any blockage, debris, or damaged cells. Only healthy, clean tissue emerges. Every day and in every way, my eyes are getting clearer and clearer. Today I show gratitude for my eyes. I visualized my two eyes healthier and stronger, sharper and clearer than they have ever been before. When I relax my eyes, my mind relaxes. I feel better. All parts of my eyes, all areas of my visual system are reverting to optimal right now. All fogginess clears, all cloudiness clears. Pure, unimpeded vision remains. I now feel my eyes healing and rejuvenating on a daily basis. I have 20/20 vision. As I breathe in, clean, fresh oxygen is sent to rejuvenate the cells of my eyes. I notice a clarity of vision coming on now. I'm careful to take breaks from the computer so my eyes can recuperate. I imagine a cleansing cloth wiping my visual system, removing any debris or blockage. The cellular matter of my eyes is being imbued with healing energy. The blood flow to my visual system is normal and perfect. Sparkling, healing universal energy showers my entire body, cleansing, healing, and rejuvenating my eyes. My eyes are clear, shining, and happy. I send love through my eyes, and am rewarded with perfectly functioning eyes. Faraway objects become clearer than ever before. I believe in my own mind's power to heal my body. Every cell, every nerve and fiber of my eyes and visual system is now in a state of self-reparation. I have absolutely perfect eyesight with fantastic clarity, brightness, detail, and color. By these words, I heal myself. Eyes, be healed. When I think positive thoughts and feel positive emotions, I turn my focus onto my improving eyes. Mind over matter. I use my conscious mind's energy to heal and improve my eyesight. I know how thoughts influence reality, and that's true even with basic body functions like seeing. Healing energy from the universe flows through me like an inexhaustible water fountain, and I guide it now to my eyes and visual system. As the glowing white universal energy cleanses and restores my vision, I feel good. I simply feel wonderful and rejuvenated. When I am optimistic, I send healing to my eyes, and they work better. I care for my eyes, and I take breaks from computer screens.